What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again here at Camarillo, the Nike outlet, about to go see what's inside the store. Much more crowded than it was last time I came here. Much more crowded, as you guys can see. Two's on deck, these Jordan 2 lows, retail. There is 20% off the wall, but I don't know if it's 20% off of this one. So we're just gonna let it flow. 20% off the back wall. Let's see if there's anything that stands out in particular. I'm gonna look all around to see. I did see some Kyries last time. Somebody asked me to come and check out some more Kyries to see. This is a size 9 though, so 140 with 30% off size 9. I am here later in the day. It's about 4 p.m. on Sunday, so you know a lot of heat probably have been gone. The Jordan 37 in the Oreo colorway, still 185, but you do have 20% off of that. A restock or something. Let's see what she has here. We got Air Max 90s, 140, size 10, still full retail, but you got the 20% off the tag. Runners, trainers, nothing that we're looking for. Okay. Zion's over here also. This is 99 for 10.5 with 20% off. We got 2 pair of them here. What do you guys think about this Zion colorway? Let me check it out the box really quick. Not a bad shoe, Zion 2. Some colorways, of course, much better than others. The Delta 2, Jordan Delta 2, this colorway is pretty dope. 11.5 for 49 bucks. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. Air Max 90 Dirty Denims for 109, size 11.5. Dirty Denims, 20% off. 20% off, here you guys go. Jordan 1 Low Golf, normally 140 down to 89. That's probably a really good steal. Yeah, I think somebody definitely tried these on. It still looks like pretty good condition, but you just see the wearness on the bottom of them.
The lowest ticketed price. Also, on Smith Apparel is an additional 30% off the lowest ticketed price. That's right, all Smith Apparel purchase an orange or green sticker will receive an additional 30%.
Size is size 15. They got those Laker Jordan 1 lows, 110 with 20% off. These are the bigger sizes here. No super standouts from what I'm seeing. We got a Jordan Mid Taxi 125, size 15, bigger sizes on those as well, 20% off. Then we got the Jordan 12 Low Golf, size 14 for 179. It's actually not a bad shoe right there. Came through and destroyed the Air Force Ones. There was a lot of them here, but of course you guys can see they snatched them all up because there is a resale for them. Immortality, 59 bucks as opposed to 85. This colorway wasn't here last time I was here. Of the Witness 7 with the Vogue Green, $79 as opposed to 105. That went $79 also. Still got the Jordan 36 Low PF, 84 bucks as opposed to 175. That's actually a really good steal. Katie Trade 510, 69 bucks for these 2 colorways. Actually, these 3 colorways. This is probably like the newest one. Kyrie Flytrap 5. This colorway, 49 bucks. Not mad at this one. Let me know your thoughts on Kyrie being traded to the Dallas Mavericks, teaming up with Luka. 84 bucks on this one, $49 on this one, and 84 and 84. Prices dropped crazy, 49 bucks as opposed to 140 on this Soldier, LeBron Soldier. Nike Air Max Core Light, 79 as opposed to 85. That colorway is pretty dope. Nike Air Structure OG, 69 bucks as opposed to 120. This colorway is not too bad either. Nike Vapor Max 21 Flyknit down to 139 as opposed to 210 for both of these colorways, and the triple black one too. Air Max Dawn in 2 colorways from 115 and 110 down to 69 bucks for both of those. We got this Phoenix Suns jersey just chilling out here. This must be like a youth jersey. Kel Bridges. What's the price on it? Retail tag 89 bucks with additional 30% off of that. 140 normally down to 69 bucks. That's a pretty good price for these Terra Kiger 8s. 69 bucks as opposed to 140, and somebody said in the comment section they can agree these are very comfortable too. Think about this Soul Food Nike merch. Air Max 90s, 130, size 10 or 11.5. This colorway is pretty clean. 20% off. Never seen this colorway for the Air Max 1. 130, so that makes this about 103, like about 100 bucks for these. I forgot these on deck. 150 or 115 as opposed to 135 with that 20% off. We got the women's Air Max 95s, green suede, still full retail at 190. That's a little too much for that. We've seen this colorway for the 90 with the sock liner. 110 on the retail for those. I got the 120 for these split down the middle with 20% off on those. Elevates with the silver toes with the extra laces down to 125 with that 20% off. These look like so many. I thought these were something else, but they're not. That navy 6s, size 13 right there. Panda high 7s. A good amount of retros right here. Horizons are still here. This wasn't here last time I came. They got this Jordan 2 right here. Pretty clean colorway, man. Probably the best find at this location, in my opinion. As far as the retros, I mean, of course we love these too. And they got the Jordan 9 boot as well.
Thank you for shopping with us today. While you are here, we want to ensure you know about some great
Nothing.
savings available.
Pretty good selection right here.
Again, all footwear on the back walls on the slanted shelf is an additional 20% off the lowest ticketed price. Also, all clearance apparel is an additional 30% off the lowest ticketed price. That's right. All clearance apparel marked with an orange or green sticker will receive an additional 30% off the lowest ticketed price. Also, we have men's Panda Dust High and grade school Jordan 7 available for purchase at the registers. Again, we have men's Panda Dust High and grade school Jordan 7 available for purchase at the registers.
Arizona Pegasus 38 Shield, $59 as opposed to 130. Look at this colorway for the Pegasus 38 PRM. The premium was 120 down to $69. The Pegasus Trail 3 down to $89 as opposed to 130. That's pretty good right there. Got some stuff on sale. $9.99. Too much clutch. That's pretty dope. $9.99. Normally $30. You got 30% off of this. This makes this $6.99. $6.99 for a Nike tee. That's pretty clean. So the apparel is where it's at right now, at least on some apparel. $79 as opposed to $125. $79. Not sure how much they make, like $60, something like that. SB. Pretty good stuff here. We saw this last time, the 75th anniversary Clipper stuff. Oh, this is not the one with the 75-year patch. How much is it now anyway though? $109. Not low enough, but that is cheaper than what we saw last time. Tell me the best colorway of the LeBron Witness 7. Let me know which one out of these three do you guys like the most. Next budget model, we got the KD Trey 5 10 in 3 colorways. Out of these 3 colorways, which one do you guys like the most? Colorway right here. What do you guys think about this in the comments below? This colorway on the aisle, but I do like this structure. Let me know if you guys are feeling this one or not. $49 as opposed to $130 on this Air Hirachi Crater Premium. I like this colorway. It's loud. Kind of, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. $49 as opposed to $130. And I am a fan of the Go Fly East. Maybe if I find them in my size and a better price, I will scoop them up. $89 as opposed to $120. What do you guys think about the Nike Go Fly East? Then we have this Presto colorway, which I think is dope, like a tie-dye feature. $89 as opposed to $130 also. Saw this definitely last time I was here. Hirachis down to $69 as opposed to $120. Then we got the trainers here in this dope colorway down to $89. Unique colorway of the Zion 1. It's an SP. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below and what it's about with the 3 dots on there. Drippy. Not a bad colorway of the Zion 1. Let me know what you guys think about this one and what's the significance with these dots. Bullseye, pretty clean. Some Cosmic Unity 2s here. Full retail with 20% off on those as well. Got these Jordan 200Es for $44, normally $125. So that's actually a steal right there. $44 makes these about $30-something. $30-something for a shoe that's $125 is actually a steal. Actually might be the best find as far as resale value is concerned. I'll put it up on the screen. Zion 1 SP. You guys see what this one is. So it's crazy to say that I feel like my best find with the most value at this Nike outlet trip was a pair of Zion Williamson shoes, the Jordan Zion 1. I'll put it up on the screen. But this one right here, bro. As I'm wearing my Way Away version 2. But these are crazy though. White and black. Let me know your thoughts about these in the comment section below. I like the colorway on this Air Max Pre-Day, white and navy blue. Let me know what you guys think about this. That's the heat wall. We're still here. Most things are retail with just a 20% off. Okay, 109 with 20% off on those. We got the Jordan 36 low, the Luca PE, 89 bucks with 20% off. That's pretty good. On the back wall, they got what, some Jordan A1 KOs, black, white, and gray. Size 10 on these. This is not bad. Not a big fan of AJ KOs. It's all about the colorway. But maybe you might like these. Let me know your thoughts about these in the comment section below. 20% off on them now. Copper pass. These Jordan Delta 2s down from 130 down to 49 bucks. Now this is actually a steal, 49 bucks with 20% off. Yeah, so a shoe that's normally 130, you can get them for 39 bucks. So doing some research on them though and seeing what they're kind of going for online, I might not need to grab these, even though that is a steal right there. Maybe one of the members might want these. I have a size 10 and a size 11.5 right there. That's crazy. It's crazy because they got the Air Max 1 Premium Dirty Denim in a few sizes here. 109. Put that right there. Makes these 87 bucks. 87 bucks, normally 130 for the Dirty Denim Air Max 1s. Let me know if that's a steal. Size 11.5 right here. Another one right there. They do have one of the recent colorways of the Zoom Freak 4, 130 with 20% off. I like this colorway, and it's weird. At first, I only saw these in grade school sizes, so it's good to see them have these in men's sizes because this colorway is not bad. Let me know what you guys think about these. Still full retail with 20% off on them. Look at this one right here. I don't even know if I've seen these advertised. 11.5, 220, still full retail. Look at this colorway. These are pretty clean right here. 1 to 10 scale rate these. I like the laser print. Leather upper, Jordan 12 low golf. Fire right here, man. I like these. Let me know what you think about these. Yeah, that's hard. Got these Jordan lows, center court, normally 125, down to 59 bucks. Pretty cool. I like this colorway, 59 bucks. Makes these $47. Normally what, 125 for a Jordan 1 low. I like these colorway. This is actually pretty fire. Let me know what y'all think about these. We'll take a picture of this for my people. Yeah, I like this. This colorway is fire. The detail on them is nice. You gotta tell me what you guys think about them in the comment section below. Size 12, normally 125 down to 59 bucks. Makes these 49 bucks for a size 12. The Phantom Run Flyknit 2 down to 39 bucks. Makes these about 31 bucks for these. Not too bad. Size 12. Got some Dunks here still for full retail with 20% off. They need to drop the price on those things. This is 89 bucks with the 20% off. What are these down here? Look at this golf shoe. Never seen this before. Let's take a look at this really quick. Look at this iridescent splash on this Jordan 1 low with the laces unworn. They go for 140. What do you guys think about these? Pretty clean golf shoe right here. Make these about like 111, 112 bucks. These are definitely clean. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Got the Vapor Max Plus. This colorway is pretty dope. Size 12. From 110 to 59. 110 to 159 with 20% off on those. $49 for the Zoom Super Rep. $49 for a size 12 with 20% off on those. Pegasus Trail 2 size 13. Normally 130 down to 34 bucks. 34 bucks with 20% off on these. That's crazy right there. Talk about cheap. 34 bucks with 20% off. Huh. 20 something dollars for these. For a size 13. Lightly worn. Wow. This is one you kind of like can't get away from. 34 bucks. 20% off. You might have to grab these, bruh. I'm gonna finally own a pair of Trail runs. I was talking about that. 34 bucks. Pegasus Trail 4 GTX, normally 160, down to 69 bucks. That's pretty clean right there. Prestos, 59 bucks. Size 13, 59 bucks with 20% off. Makes them about $47, but I'm good on those Prestos. I think this is just gonna be mine for the day, you dig? These Laker lows are here still, size 15, 110, 20% off. Trainers, yeah, this is a steal right here, so I couldn't really pass this up. 34 bucks for a size 13, brand new trail run. I was just talking about that in the last shoe. 119 as opposed to 160. Getting around a slide season, 29 bucks as opposed to 45. Air Max, no, Nike Huaraches, 89.69. Good size run as you guys can see. Top to bottom filled with the Huarache. These, whoa, people been touching them all day, but they got full sizes of them. Still 150 though. For the grade school, they got the Messy Room 4s here. Interesting to see that, but not interesting to see. And of course, we knew this was gonna happen because they're sitting in the stores. They're on resale or they're on sale in the store. So see them here is definitely not surprising. Okay, so I don't want to keep looping and showing you guys the same thing that was earlier in the video. So we're about to get out of here. I gotta go to Shoe Palace and grab something else again. But let me know what you guys think about this find right here. My size, a trail run. I was just talking about it. Let me know your thoughts about this, you dig? And if you like sneaker content like this, you want to see some more, you should go ahead and check out this video right here, and I'll see you in that video. Make sure you hit the like button, you dig? Much different from yesterday to today. We're about to go ahead and check out and grab these. But yeah, big difference in the line, right? Impulse buy thing here. This Michael Jordan toe bag, take flight, on sale for only $19 opposed to as opposed to $30. What do you guys think about this? So got a really good impulse buy. This is the Drew League Edition Clippers hat snapback, but it's still full retail. Can we get a discount on those? They got a Lakers snapback here too, purple, $32. Yeah, no, we need that discount though.
$25.49.
Perfect. Okay.
Need a back.
So we're going out here with these, paid 25 bucks for a shoe that's 130, bro. Yeah, $25 for a shoe that's $130. I think that's definitely a steal. That's why you definitely have to check your outlets. It will be 20% off for half the week, he said. Last week they had no sales when I came, as you guys saw in one of my previous videos. But yeah, let's get in here at the Shoe Palace, you dig? Think about this Dodger trucker hat. Not bad. LA hats. We have Chili 9s and grade school sizes, man. This one is definitely slept on. $149 on the retail. Is that how much they retail for grade school? Or these are not on sale, right? Pretty dope shoe though. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Triple black Presto, 59 bucks. Not bad. So we got these now for another channel member. One for myself, one for the channel members. Let's go.